Welcome back to Dr. Minecraft. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. And please, hit the notification bell too. We see how germ monsters cause cavities. But look, the diamond toothbrush saves the day. Keep your blocks clean by brushing every day. Oh no, it looks like Steve has a cavity. Watch as the powerful bristles scrub away the harmful green germs. Consistent brushing keeps your teeth sparkling clean and healthy.
See how the bristles sweep away those sugar blocks. Remember to brush in circular motions.
When plaque builds up, sugar monsters attack. Scrub them away with a trusty toothbrush to keep those blocks shining.
To keep your teeth healthy in the overworld, make sure to scrub them vigorously, just like this. Brush in small circles.
Like this?
Exactly!
Keep those smiles bright, everyone!
Make sure you brush gently in circles like this. Great job, you two! Keep those teeth sparkling! See how we screw the plaque away from this molar. Great job!
Hooray! Sparkly teeth!
Look how shiny this makes the tooth. Who can show me how they brush?
I can! Look!
Remember, brushing twice a day with a diamond toothbrush keeps your teeth strong and sparkling, just like Steve's.
To brush correctly, hold the brush at a 45-degree angle to your gums and use gentle, circular motions on all sides of the tooth.
First we brush nice and clean. Then we floss like a lean, mean cleaning machine. First we squeeze the toothpaste, maybe not that much. Then we brush them until they sparkle. Ta-da!
Remember, kids, brush up and down.
And don't forget to floss every day for a sparkling smile. Okay, let's get those chompers clean. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Ow, that tickles.
Circular motions just like this. And look, sparkle!
And the winner is me! Always remember to brush your teeth!
I won the contest!
We had a winner! Congratulations, Character B!